Ladies and gentlemen, it's another video from your boy. So today we're going to be talking about data types, variables, declaring and initializing variables. Okay, let's get straight to it, cause variables in C++, okay, or variables in coding are like boxes. You have shoe boxes, you have glass boxes, maybe you have soap boxes. Uh, it depends if in the real world, if you want to put a shoe inside a glass box, but then in the coding world, you don't put a shoe in a glass box. If we say it's a glass box, it's stored glasses. Okay, otherwise, error. Okay, so we have too many data types. We have integers, we have characters, we have floats, we have doubles, we have boolean, we have structures, we have arrays, we have classes. But then today we're going to focus on the most basic ones, the ones that you're going to use. You are going to use structures and arrays and classes, but then we're going to focus on them a little later in the channel. Okay, so right now we're focusing on these five, right? So there's a data type called integer. It stores integers, as it says. There's its abbreviation is int. And then there's another one called character, which is this one right here. Second one, char. It stores characters, right? And then there's another one called float, right? The little blue little wordies are the ones that are data types. And then we have float, and then we have double, and then we have boolean. Float stores decimal numbers, and then double stores decimal numbers, but with a bigger range than float. Okay, and then we have boolean, which stores true or false. It's a yes or no situation. Yes. So let's go to variables, right? Variables is the box, right? This is the name of the box. Okay, this is so we're saying we have age, right? Age can only be a number, right? It cannot be a decimal number. Okay, so we're saying age is a box. Then this box is going to store an integer. We're saying grade is a box, right? And this box is going to store a character. We're saying rating is a box that's going to store a decimal number. Okay, is it male? It's going to store a yes or no yes or no. I mean true or false. True substance. So like this is called creating a box and giving it a name is called declaring. Okay, this is called declaring a variable, and then we are going to initializing a variable. This is where you give this box substance. This is where you give, don't ask me who's 22 years old. This is where you give the box substance. This is where you give it a number. This is where you give it some. This is where you put something inside the box, guys. That's what I'm trying to say. So grade, we're gonna have the A there. You hear me? And then we're gonna say rating, and then we're gonna say following the 3.0, right? To emphasize the range part of things. And then we're gonna say 9, so here we're gonna say false. ml, but then we just for the sake of it. So this is called initializing a variable, guys. This is called initialize. This is putting substance inside the variable. We are going to use variables in much more productive and efficient ways. But then for now, you know what variables are, you know what declaring variables are, and you know what initializing variables is. So we're going to initialize and declare them in future lessons, and then you're going to know This is what this lesson is for, guys. From Sviso. Uh, see you in the next lesson, guys.